How to use Google Calendar. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to use Google Calendar for your organization and productivity. So let's get started. Now Google provides this calendar which helps you organize your everyday tasks and schedule your meetings or any task that you want to. So I'm going to showing you around different features of calendar and how you actually schedule different tasks on your calendar. So let's get started. Now to launch your Google Calendar, what you have to do is just go to your Google and you will see this dotted box. Here you get all of your Google apps, and from here I'm gonna click on Google Calendar. You can launch your calendar this way, or you can just simply type on googlecalendar.google.com and you will land on this. Now in order to avail Google Calendar, you will actually have to log into your Google account that you might have already. If you have not, you will just simply log into that and you can avail Google Calendar. You don't have to make an account or anything else. So this is what the Google Calendar actually looks like. You can see the option of create right here. Here we actually create different calendars. If you want to create more than one calendar for yourself, you can just go ahead and create right here. Then there are different options right here that I will be showing you around. You can see this is the calendar view that we get. This is the week view. If I want to get a day view, I will simply click on day and it will give me the hourly view of the day. If I want to go ahead and get a monthly view, I will be able to check this out right here. If I want to go with a yearly view, I will click on year and this is the view I will get. So this is how you actually customize different views on your Google Calendar. You can just go ahead and customize any of the view that you want to. So for now, I'm just going to keep it to the week view where I have different days of the week and I can create a task. Now creating a task on Google Calendar is super easy. What you have to do is just click on the day. Let's just go with tomorrow. Let's just say I want to create a task between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. tomorrow. So I will just simply click right here and this is where I can actually create an event, task or reminder for myself. We're going to click on more option and here I can actually create the task. So you can see right here, I'm going to add the title for my task or event. Let's just say it's a meeting which is going to happen tomorrow and I will click on meeting. And this is the date for the meeting, which is the date tomorrow, and the time will be 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. If I want to customize the time, I can just simply click on a time zone. Actually, you can select the time zone as well. And if I want to change the time, I will just simply click right here and let's make it 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So this is the time for the meeting. Now, if the event is happening all day, for example, if the event was anniversary or a birthday, then I will simply click on all day. And that will mean that this event is happening all day. Now, if it is not happening all day because it's a meeting, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to not select all day. Rather, I will just simply go right here, and if it's happening daily, for example, if it were my workout sessions or anything like that, if this meeting was happening every day, I will select daily, or it was happening weekly on Friday or monthly on the further Friday or annually or every week, I can just select whatever option I want to. Now this meeting in particular is not happening again, so I'm going to click on doesn't repeat. After that, you can see the option of event details right here. Now I can actually add a Google Meet video conference as well because it's a meeting. So I actually get this option as well. This is pretty good. This is the option that Google Calendar is actually providing, that you can actually add Google Meet as well. Now you actually get Google Maps as well. If I want to add the location of the meeting, this and then the location is added as well. Now if I want to get the notification for my meeting, for my event, I can just simply click on notification if I want it. If I want an email, I can select email as well. I'm going to select email, and I don't want it to be every 30 minutes. Rather, I would like to be, let's just say, after 10 hours, and that'll be better, or maybe after 6 hours so I can prepare for the meeting. And after that, you can see this is what I will get the notification. After that, this will be the color for the event. I can select any color. I'm going with red. And this is the tag that I can actually add, busy or free. I'm going to select with busy. And now this is where you can actually, get an idea how Google Calendar actually works. You can see you can actually add different people into your Google Calendar as well. I can actually share this meeting with other people as well. So for the default visibility, I'm going to select public because I will be sharing this meeting with other people as well. So I'm going to do that and add description. Now the description here, you will actually add all the description for your event, for your task or meeting, whatever you are having. So I'm having a meeting, so I'm gonna add some description here. Okay, so you can see right here that I have added the description for my meeting right here, and once I'm done with that, I will just simply have added the description. I have added everything. Now in the add guest option, I'm gonna actually add few people, and I'm gonna share this with them, and let's add another. There you go. So I have selected 2 people to whom I'm gonna actually add as a guest, and I'm gonna send this meeting as an email to them. After that, I will simply click on save, and now they're asking me that the invitation that I am sending to the guest, do I want to send them right now, or will I be sending them later? So I'm gonna send them right now. I will simply click on send. So you can see right here that my task has been created. Now this is super easy. This is how you create different tasks on your Google calendars. Now if I wanted to create another calendar or any other task or event, I can simply click right here as well, and I can create an event or task right here. Now after that, you will see this option of my calendars on your Google Calendar. So you can see right here, these are actually different lists that I have actually created. For example, this one. Now this one is actually a list, my personal list, where I create my task. And when I create a task, I actually have this label of this list. So if I check it, you will see this task will disappear because it has been added to this list. Now there's a list of birthdays that I have created. I can just simply check out all the birthdays at once if I want to. So this is how it actually helps you get organized and get more productive with it. For example, if I want to just see all the reminders that I have on my calendar, I will click on reminders. If I do not want to see the reminders, I will uncheck it. So this is how it actually works. So once you have created your task right here, if I click on the task, and if I want to edit the task, I will click on edit event. If I want to delete it, I will simply click on delete. If I want to get avail other options, for example, print this task, I can do that as well. Duplicate it, publish event, or change the owner of this event. I can do anything I want to with it. So this is how it's actually very easy and very efficient, because you can do a lot with a Google Calendar. So you can see right here that these are different options. For now, I'm gonna uncheck it. So once you're done with that, you will see different options here as well. For example, you can see the option of keep right here. Now keep means the notes, of course, Google Keep, and here you can actually add different notes if you want to. For example, if I want to take a note, I will just simply click right here. There you go. After that, if I do not want to, I will just simply uncheck it. Then you will see the option of contacts right here and maps. So if I want to add any other thing, I will simply click on add. And the good thing about Google Calendar is that you can actually add these integrations into your calendar to make it more productive, to make it more organized, and to organize your business or whatever niche you work in. You can just organize your business better with Google Calendar, because that's how the main purpose of Google Calendar is. So you can see I can actually integrate Zoom, WebEx, Microsoft Teams, CRM for Gmail. I can add Google Calendar. So you can actually get all of these amazing integrations to your Google Calendar with Google Workspace Marketplace. If I want to search anything, let's just say that I wanted to add Microsoft Teams into my calendar, I can just add that. If I want to add a Gmail, I can add that. If I want to add Zoom, I can add that. So you can actually create this amazing workspace of your own on your Google Calendar very easily and for free. So that's pretty amazing. So if you want to add anything, you would just simply click right here and add it from here. So after that, you can see that this is how it works. Now, if you want to share with your calendar with other people, then you can just simply click on search for people, and it actually, you can search different people with your calendar, and you can share this calendar or event with them very easily. So this is how Google Calendar actually works. This is the option of settings. You can actually see the task that you have deleted will be gone to your bin. If you want to customize the colors, you can do that as well. So this is pretty amazing and very easy to use Google Calendar, and this is how you create tasks and you check out different views, and you can just go ahead and add as many tasks as you want to on your Google Calendar and get organized right now. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.